Good afternoon, everyone. May 14th, 2020. We are designing a new path for the ductwork. So we have this beautiful apartment. Ceilings are getting raised, and so we are just getting to know everything here today. So we have to design everything, submit to the city, make sure they approve. Exhaust fans is part of air conditioning. So can't wait to show you guys what's going to look like at the end when everything is remodeled. If you ever think about redoing your home and you want the duct modification and stuff, give us a call at 954-821-8640 because your comfort is vital to us. We've done many of these remodelings here in Highland Beach, Florida, and the surrounding areas, because it's very common these days to people have open kitchens. They want to make your apartment look modern, in other words. So if you need any of these services, look no further. Vital AC is your answer. 954-821-8640. We've done many of these ones to show you guys.